Hi friends, welcome to RNS. In today's video, we will tell you about the best 4G plans going around. If you have not bought a 4G phone yet, please buy it so that you can manage your internet and calls at high speeds and without any limit. Today, we will talk about the best 4G plans offered by telecom companies in India with a validity of 1 month or more. Talking of 4G, let's start with Jio, which began a 4G revolution less than a year ago. Jio is currently offering unlimited calling and internet at the rate of 1 GB per day at just Rs 309 for 84 days. If you have not already subscribed to Jio Prime with a one-time payment of Rs 99, then do it and subscribe to a plan that is equivalent to Jio's summer surprise offer, which used to offer the same benefits for 90 days at Rs 303. Which means there's just a marginal difference which can be easily managed. And once the 4G data limit for a day, that is 1 GB, expires, you can still surf internet for free at 128 kbps. Vodafone has recently come up with a relatively expensive plan. The service provider, known for a good network across the country, has recently come up with a Rs 445 package that works for 70 days and gives the users 1 GB of data on a daily basis with unlimited calling within India. BSNL offers unlimited calling to other BSNL callers and 2 GB 4G data for 28 days at Rs 339. Though the plan sounds inexpensive, only serious BSNL users and mostly ones with BSNL contacts are most likely to subscribe to this plan. And Airtel is offering unlimited calling within India and 4G data at 1 GB per day at Rs 349 for 28 days. But be careful as Airtel changes its plan at the last minute. So before paying for a plan, please read its benefits. All these plans are valid throughout India. Still, as companies keep upgrading their plans, visit the company's official website and your nearest dealer to know the exact details of any plan on any particular day. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe.